very first airboat ride. We have Miss Allie with us, and we have Gary with us. Jim is behind me. We've already seen 2 gators, lots of birds, lots of kayakers. Look how clear the water is. Wow. Oh, I see fish. You can actually see fish in the water. Going. I missed a lot of footage today. Look at that. Look how pristine it is though, guys.
Everything on the river is a little bit slower.
Wow.
So you only have a very narrow window with your sun at this hole.
Right.
And then
it wants us to be straight overhead.
As you know, about a month from now, we wouldn't want to be back up in here. The yellow flies are going to be really
oh, they're starting at our place already.
We're getting them in our place already, yeah.
We have these inflatable black balls that they're drawn to, and then you spray them.
The sticky stuff.
And they stick, yeah.
Yeah, you just swim in.
Well, the duckweed is fascinating to me.
Look at the bottom, Allie. Oh,
yeah. There's a fish right here. He's just hovering off this grassy stuff.
So you can time your trip. You can time, certain stops by the sun if you plan your trip right. You can come back up in here and kind of get away from the crowd. There's a couple other springs. Just about all these little entrances you'll see on each side of the river will end up in a spring. Some of them are cleared out like this one. Some of them aren't. Just depends. Another side note that's kind of neat is back in the 20s, these are 20s and the 30s, Prohibition period.
Oh yeah.
They had all these springs. Just about all these springs had some type of a still set up next to them.
Because the water.
Yeah, because all you gotta do is drop a.
Yeah, they were getting the water out of the spring for cooking purposes.
Relatively clear and clean
and what they were
Makes
doing
sense.
is there's a tree up here called ash.
Yep.
Ash tree.
Yep.
And when it's dry,
somebody left
it doesn't. This has, I haven't been in here to clean this out yet, but we normally come in here with our Go Devils and get this weed out.
What's a Go Devil?
It's just a motor with a prop on it.
So it kind of chops the weeds?
Yeah, it chops the weeds, and it's air cooled, so you don't have to worry about it. But this is called Cassidy spraying. And
Oh, look how deep that is.
yeah. Once it's cleared out, it's actually a nice little spot to stop when you're canoeing or kayaking.
You know, it's hilarious. I see all these aquarium plants in here.
Yes, this is one of the few rivers that has that type of a aquatic plant, and they'll collect it. There's a guy that does a permit to come in here and collect that plant, and that's what they sell in the aquariums.
Oh, wow.
But there's...
Now, is this water considered brackish or?
No, that's all
No.
fresh.
This is all fresh.
Yeah, that's a freshwater plant, Jim.
Okay.
For a freshwater tank.
You've got to get a permit, yes, to go ahead and pull the weeds. Just about anything on the river.
Yeah,
imagine,
it's because it's very
You're
protected.
not supposed to be pulling stuff out.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm not going to say anything about it, but you're not supposed to. So there's like two different holes down here. You can actually swim from one hole to the other hole. There's a little bridge right here.
Oh, wow.
But there's water coming out of it?
Oh, yeah,
Out of
this is
both of them?
spraying.
Wow.
Yeah. It's pumping. It's not pumping as much as blue, but it's still pumping. But this is all normally just a white sand bottom. Once I get in here and clean this stuff out,
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
it takes about a day.
There's a big old fish one.
Mm-hmm.
There's an old
Sturdy
home
one.
site up in here too.
Really?
Late 1800s.
Mm.
The only thing that's left is the masonry from the fireplace.
Oh, wow.
That and some orange trees that have lost their graft.
Is there any hiking trails around here? That's not your thing, huh?
Well, I mean, there's all kinds of little back roads and stuff back here in this management area, and there's no law against saying that you can't hike it. There's seed ticks and
Right.
red bugs are going to be a little bit rough this time of year.
What's a red bug?
They're little, you can't hardly even see them, but